President Uhuru Kenyatta, you've done it so well. When he wanted you to become president in 2002, now we can testify that maybe he was not wrong. It was just a question of time. But you are now the president, and you've accorded this family respect. You've accorded the family of Kibaki respect. You have known that there's a constitution. Even as we talk about the BBI, there are some things that you have said must remain a tradition. You are not seeking another term, but you've said you must stick to a certain tradition. Mwanafunzi mzuri wa Moi. This is it. Let us all become one.